Let's be real. Most Americans aren't broke because they don't make enough money. They're broke because they keep falling into the same habits that drain their bank accounts. This isn't about skipping coffee or cutting coupons. It's about 5 sneaky ways we sabotage our own wealth without realizing it. Let's start with sabotage number 1, the subscription spiral. It's not the big bills that get you anymore, it's the small ones that hit every month. The extra streaming service, the meal kit you forgot to cancel, that random app that charges $9.99. These small payments don't seem like much, but together they quietly eat away at your money. Here's how to fix it. Take 30 minutes, open your bank or credit card statement, and cancel enough subscriptions to free up at least $50 a month. That's $600 a year. And more importantly, you'll feel in control again. Sabotage number 2, the status trap. This one's baked into American culture. We spend money to look successful, not to be successful. The new car, the fancy vacation, the designer clothes, all to look like we're doing better than we are. But nobody's impressed, and your debt doesn't care. For the next 30 days, cut out all non-essential credit card spending. Use cash or a debit card instead. When you actually feel what you're spending, it changes everything. Sabotage number 3, the comfort plateau. This one's sneaky because it feels harmless. You're making enough to get by, things are fine, and that comfort zone tricks you into stopping your growth. Before you know it, years go by and nothing's changed. Here's the fix. Once a week, do one thing that could raise your income. Apply for a better job, ask for a raise, or learn a new skill. You don't need to grind 24/7. Just stop settling for good enough. Sabotage number 4, the emergency mindset. This is living in constant reaction mode. The car breaks down, rent goes up, and suddenly you're panicking. You're always one step behind. Start an emergency fund, even if it's just $20 a week. It is not about the amount, it's about shifting from panic mode to control mode. Every dollar you save there is proof that you're taking charge. And finally, sabotage number 5, the future self-lie. This is the big one. It's when you keep telling yourself, I'll do it later, I'll fix my budget later, I'll learn about investing later. But later never comes. Every time you delay, you're dumping today's problems on your future self. Here's the fix. Every day, take 15 minutes to do one small thing your future self will thank you for. Read a page from a money book, update your resume, or look into your retirement plan. Small steps like that build real wealth. If you only do one thing from this whole video, start that 15-minute daily habit today. So tell me, which sabotage hits you the most? The subscription spiral, the status trap, or the future self-lie? Drop it in the comments, and if this helped you save even a few bucks, hit that like button and subscribe for more.